severe weather here.
It's pretty low. I don't expect that. There could be a couple of storms in the mix tomorrow morning with some of those showers. But aside from that, things should be pretty brief, honestly, with that rain. It could come down quite a bit, but then afterwards it's done. And we're looking at a mostly dry weekend starting sometime probably by noon Saturday. Today, by the way, also going to be dry. It is a little bit, I would say, moist out the door right now. There is still some lingering fog in spots. You might notice a lot of dew on the grass and on your windshield. That's fine. Temperatures ranging from 36 in Mason City to 43 in Austin. So it's a nice morning, beautiful sunrise out the door. Just need a coat or a jacket, something to keep a little bit of heat in for at least the next 2 hours. After that point, things are improving pretty quickly. We do have some fog right now to talk about. Winona County, seeing some dense fog. Same thing between Charles City and some spots between Howard County, Mitchell County. Forest City also seeing some of that fog. Aside from that, though, things are okay elsewhere. We do have this dense fog advisory for a majority of our counties through 8 a.m. this morning. So about the next hour and a half after that point, most of this fog should start to burn away. Clear skies at the moment, aside from the fog, right? And then it's just clear skies going forward the rest of the day. Looking west to Nebraska, Rapid City. Look, South Dakota seeing some snow right now. Wow. We're not seeing snow. But we are going to see this chance for rain swing into our neck of the woods tomorrow morning as this moves through. But then you look past that, you look over here in Utah, you got clear skies. That's what moves in for Sunday. So, we just a continuation of this back and forth between rain and sun. Today, we get the sun. It's a couple of foggy spots this morning. If you're going for a bike ride, be mindful there could be some kind of moist spots, right, given that fog and the moisture in the air. But then by the afternoon, it's sunny. It's not that windy. It's also going to be briefly 70 degrees. It's great. You got a couple of light clouds, but that's fine. Watch what happens early tomorrow morning. Here we are around 6 a.m. You have this line of showers, heavy at times, pushing through. I'm thinking it's in Mason City sometime around 4 to 6 a.m. Albert Lea similar, closer to Rochester, maybe 6 to 8 a.m. That would be the same thing in Fillmore County. And it kind of lingers with some lighter raindrops, just kind of like yesterday morning, if you remember, maybe through about lunchtime. And then it's clearing out by the afternoon. Might even see the sun tomorrow afternoon. How much rain will we see? Probably a little bit more than half an inch across the majority of the area is what I would expect. If you get an inch, then you're going to be one of the few. It should be closer to half an inch. Tomorrow afternoon, clear skies. Sunday, beautiful. Another day just like today. But then, guys, early next week, some rain chances return. It looks like the best opportunity for rain next week is going to be early Tuesday morning. It has shifted from a late Monday thing to an early Tuesday thing. And then we could see a couple more isolated storms in the mix at times next week. So it's just this back and forth of this very wet pattern, which continues to dig us out of our drought conditions. So bottom line, when we are in this pattern, take advantage of days like today.
We do have the Walk MS tomorrow. Are we going to be looking all right for that?
Yep. Or? Remind me of the time.
It's like 8:30, 9:30.
This is the walk in Rochester.
Yes, in Rochester.
Could probably be raining, yeah, at the start. Maybe not by the end, though.
All right. We'll have to see what happens.
Yeah.